Hi, my name is Bill George, lead data wrangler at Riva. I'm here to give you a quick tour of some of the tools in the amazing toolkit that is Riva for Activity Analytics. Our product and engineering teams created this simple starter solution to deliver some serious data ops horsepower to IT and ops leaders in larger organizations. This solution bundles a few key automations from the Riva engine together to deliver complete data for planning, acceleration, and increased productivity. So, enough preamble, let me begin the show and tell. So, I'm an advisor at the First Bank of Mars, and here we are in my Outlook application. The revenue operations team and sales managers really don't want me spending a lot of time logging things in CRM. They would prefer that I'm spending as much time as possible helping new and existing customers. That said, they expect that all of my activities show up in the most relevant places in CRM. And this is the beautiful thing about Riva for Activity Analytics. It gives me the time to build relationships and help customers while giving sales and RevOps the customer visibility and revenue data that they need to forecast and make decisions. So today, I'm going to show you how Riva's automation allows me as an advisor to focus on my work, allows customers easy access to schedule meetings with me to book meetings, and how all these activities log to Salesforce as actual activities that show up in your reports and dashboards the way that I and my sales managers need to. So let's get into it here. Like I said, I'm a busy advisor at First Bank of Mars. The first thing I want to show is just how ridiculously easy it is for me to track my emails to accounts and contacts. So we see here that I'm sending an email to Diego, the CEO of a fast-growing retail operation named Weekend Kicks. I'm going to ask him to book some time through the schedule link in my signature so we can get together and discuss the details of Weekend Kicks opening another shop. So when Diego clicks the link, that will take him to Riva Bookings, where he can fill in his details like we see here, and click Next, and he can schedule for a time that's convenient for him. We'll say the 29th at 3:45, and request the meeting, and there we go. So we can see here that I have all the details in place. All I have to do is send the email, and Riva will automatically make sure the contact and account exists in Salesforce and sync it to the activities. So I will just send that off. Now, one thing to point out is I'm going to know as the user that the email has synced appropriately because of the category Riva applies to the email, like we see over on the right-hand side here in the categories, where it says Salesforce processing complete. And you'll see that through your previous conversations in your inbox. So let's fast forward and head to the calendar. And we can see here that the meeting has saved to the Outlook calendar. Because of the automatic bookings or the Riva functionality within bookings, this meeting is, like we see, saved to my Outlook. This meeting will then sync to the activities of the contact and the account in Salesforce. So all I have to do is nothing. It's just going to do it for me. So finally, what does this mean when my manager logs into Salesforce? Well, when she looks at these activity reports, she can see all of the activities that I have logged against my contacts and accounts, including the meeting with Weekend Kicks. So I'll go to Salesforce and just give you a little, and there we can see all the all of my activities with all my accounts. And so really, Riva takes care of routing the activity information to the right spot in the Salesforce data model to make sure that the out-of-the-box analytics and any that I might want to build just work. As I said at the beginning, these are just a few of the many features of Riva for Activity Analytics. With the entire toolkit, your go-to-market team gets to perform many Salesforce-related actions in their preferred system of action, Outlook. You get a unified 360-degree view of the customer stored in CRM, your revenue system of record. Senior leadership gets reliable and up-to-date details of revenue planning and acceleration. And the entire organization benefits from improved productivity. It really is the perfect starter kit as your RevOps team begins to build. If you'd like to see more of what Riva for Activity Analytics or any of our other revenue data solutions can do, please book some time with me or someone on my team using the chat function at rivaengine.com. Thanks.